In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Figma to Shopify. We're going to walk through a simple workflow that takes your visuals from Figma and gets them into your Shopify store by exporting them as images and uploading them to your Shopify files. This is perfect for adding custom graphics, banners, or product visuals you've designed in Figma to your storefront. Start by opening Figma, either in your browser or the desktop app. Open the project where your design lives. At the top, use the search bar and enter Shopify. This helps you quickly find any frames, components, or assets in your file that are related to your Shopify design work. If you've organized your file with clear names, this search will pull up exactly what you need without hunting around. Next, click to select the components you want to use on Shopify. These might be a hero image, a promotional card, a product shot, or any visual element you've designed. Make sure you're selecting the correct frame or layer. What you click is what will export. If needed, zoom in to check edges, spacing, and backgrounds so you export exactly what you intend. With your component selected, click Export and choose JPEG. JPEG is a common, web-friendly format that works well for photographs and complex images. Before you export, confirm the size and scale so the image looks crisp on your site without being unnecessarily large. Selecting a higher scale can improve clarity for bigger displays, while keeping the file size reasonable helps pages load faster. Note that JPEG does not support transparent backgrounds, so if your design relies on transparency, be mindful of the background color in your frame. Once the export finishes, the file will download to your computer, typically to your Downloads folder unless you've chosen a different location. It's helpful to keep track of the exact file name so you can find it quickly in the next step. Now, head over to Shopify and open your admin. From the left-hand navigation, click Content. In the Content area, select Files. This is where Shopify stores your uploaded images and documents so you can use them across your store. Click Upload Files, then browse to the image you just exported from Figma and select it. Shopify will upload and store the file in your Files library, making it available for you to add to your theme, pages, products, or other content whenever you're ready. And that's it. You've taken a design from Figma and brought it into Shopify using a reliable, repeatable workflow.